Presenting a pre-owned 2025 Chevrolet Equinox. This four-door SUV has engine with front-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct-drive transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 117 miles per gallon in the city and 100 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.